Welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nanda, with yours truly, Nanda the Boss in our building. So we see where dancehall artist Mavado son Dantay Brooks has been released from prison, or I should say he won his appeal in the appeal court and got released from prisons. Now I want to give my take on the whole topic as it pertains to Dantay Brooks. Now, over the years, as we've known, a lot of people were speaking on the fact that, well, not really fact, because people don't really know much that goes on in the behind scene. So a lot of people were speaking on the fact that, oh, Mavado is a dancehall artist and he's a millionaire, or so to speak, and he's not helping his son, or look where his son reach. His son gone to prison, and Vibes Cartel is also a musician, a millionaire also, and his sons are turned to music, and Mavado's son turned to crime. Now, a lot of people always are going to speculate about things that they don't know. So I want to speak on the topic where, as it pertains to Dantay, right? We see where Dantay got released from prison and is now a free man. In the case, I did an overlook on the whole case documents, and in the case it stated something like the prosecutor didn't take the necessary step in order to bring forth a solid case towards the court, because when you check it now, remember say, at one point Dantay was being remanded for a lot of years. He was being remanded before he was finally sentenced. Now that proves to me that, yeah, the case really was not properly fixed in order to bring forth a solid case to the court. Now, being said with that, that is why Dantay right now is a free man, because it is stated that the witness somehow stated that the identity of Dantay is Dantay, but it is stated also that it was wrong identification, wrong ID parade take place with Dantay. So Dantay, as I said, majority of things were happening in our case. Majority of things were happening in our case cause Dantay to become a free man today. Now I'm going to read some of I'm going to read some of the things in the article, or so to speak, in the court documents. It is stated that sentence: Brooks was handed a life sentence with the possibility of parole after 22 years, while Hines faces a similar fate. In the court appeal, conviction overturned on Friday, the Court of Appeal ruled in favor of the appeal, which is Dantay, leading to the immediate release of the two co-accused. So, what did it say? It is alleged that the prosecutor claimed the attack was premeditated, with the deceased, who goes by the name of Lorenzo Thomas, being shot, trapped, and his house was burned down. Now, a case went down. The case that was bring forth to the courthouse, it was a substantial, in other words to say, it wasn't solid enough. It wasn't solid enough to prove Dantay's guilt. Now, because so the court system of Jamaica set up a way, because if you are youth and you don't have money, give thanks to Mavado. Say Mavado have the money to put his son towards in front of the appeal court for appeal his sentence. Now, for enough youth when you have the money, right, at Jamaica, when you say, yo, if you not have the money, it's a slam dunk for you can't even fight on a case or go to appeal court for get free, because some of the time the court system and the prosecution system, it's just one thing for them. Them aim for one thing, and it's just to lock you up, find you guilty, and call it a day. And nobody they're there for fight on the case or whatever. So in the case, as I stated, say, yo, the prosecutor claimed the attack was premeditated, with Thomas being shot and chopped and his house set ablaze. And also the witness, as it stated that the witness, I guess the witness had the witness said one thing and then him said another. And then, as it stated, bro, like, even this can relate to the whole Vibes Cartel case also, because everything in a Vibes Cartel case, with all of the tampering and all of them, something that we can see that take place, we see take place in a Dantay case where the evidence wasn't substantial, or it wasn't strong, so to speak. So in a Dantay case, all I have to say as it pertains to him, bro, him just have to give thanks, say him released from prison, him get freed from prison, he's a free man now in a society. He has a second chance. All him have to do is, change over him life. And some of the time, prison either make you or it break you. Sometimes it turn you for the good, turn you into a good person, or sometimes it turn you into a bad person. Because some experience where you have in a prison, you wouldn't have it if you was out on the street in the free world. But some of the time it may be good and some of the time it may be bad. But Dantay, I think he's around 23 years old now. Tell me if I'm wrong, but I think he's around that age now, so he's a free man now and him have a second chance. He, as me I say, as it pertains to him just have to give thanks, say him free, him just have to give thanks, say him father do the best him can in order to get him to be freed. Him go to the appeal court, the appeal grant him appeal, and him free now. It's a new page for him to start. And all me have to say, even all the other naysayers, them people who usually say, oh, Mavado nah do nothing for him son, and him not do nothing for him son turn to violence or whatever. But what me have to say is that some of the time you as an individual, you can't stop your youth them from make the decision with them want, because every man have them own destiny. And Dantay is an adult. When him got prison, he was charged as an adult. I think he was 19 or 18 year old, so he was charged as an adult. So sometimes youths them have them own choice. You can only curve them into the way how you want them to go until them decide where them want when them get bigger. But Dantay, bro, him get a second chance at life in a free world. Him just have to turn over the page and walk the straight and narrow road. Now as it pertains to the prosecution, all of this always going to happen and it will never stop happening. Now give thanks to the appeal court, so the appeal court overturn him case. Where if we never have appeal court in a Jamaica, if the appeal court in a Jamaica did bias, it would have never overturned. But this is the appeal court has served the people them, and whatever is stated on the document, whatever error was on the document, proves that Dantay is to be a free man and him get free now. So blessings and respect to all where Dantay father do, Mavado, and the lawyer will represent him. So blessings to that. Now if you see Mavado now, it would be a good look to see Mavado back into Jamaica or greet him son, or either make him son get visa, hopefully, because normally some of the time one time you get convicted or so forth. It may be difficult for you to get a visa to come overseas or whatever, but we see where cartel get visa to come overseas from him job from prison, so it can happen for anybody. So it's, if Mavado want him son to leave the country, it would be good, or if Mavado want to visit him son prior to his son release, it would have be good also. Now, I'm just say, bro, all I youths them out there, wanna see it, say it's best for you to walk the straight and narrow road, because it not gonna be the same for Uno. Every dog have them day, and everybody look another the same. So we might see Dantay get free from prison because the appeal court granted him freedom and it was overturned. But not saying that it may not happen for everybody, and not everybody have the money for file for your appeal. So kudos to Dantay and Mavado. Now, as I say, we see the video where Dantay come out and his sister greet him and couple family member. That's a good thing. It's very much of a good thing, and For to celebrate with the family freedom, that also is a good thing. Now is the time for him to just change over him life, and if him learn from prison, him just use the teaching for grow in a society and for teach other individual around him who feel as though them want to turn to the crime and violence, and show them say, yo, what me experience in a prison, I don't want una experience. So take my advice, change your polygrounds, change over to a new page, and walk the straight and narrow, and know say positivity and goodness in your heart you roll with. So the violence thing now go nowhere. So at that would I wish for Dantay for speak to him fellow friends them, or former schoolmate or whoever him know where him grow with, to tell them all of them things. So that's all we have to say as it pertains to Dantay case. And it go already, man. A vibes and inside with Nando, and I just come to speak and give my 2 cents as upon the whole case with Dantay. And big up on yourself out there, I'm ready, man. I want vibes and inside with Nando. It go already, man. I'm out. Peace.